Hey guys, I'm showing you this Olafus 65W floodlight outdoor motion sensor light. So this one is a LED security light with IP65 waterproof, 6000 lumen motion activated light with a 3-head floodlight. So you can see comes in a nice protective box. This is the main light. So this is the motion sensor and these are the three head. So these are the ratings, and these are the three wires like main, neutral and ground. Everything is totally marked, so it's pretty easy to install it, and you can set this up. So no solar required, you can just directly put it in the electric connection. So this is the manual, describe everything. This is a motion sensor with the setting. You can set the time, duration and sensitivity. So this you can see all the plastic, clear plastic with the 6000 lumen light, and you can just connect these wires. So this heads can also be adjusted, and this is the safety guide, the template which goes on the back, and you can just put it on the wall. So everything is all described, is all clear. You can see like all the clear plastic, and these are the adjustable light heads with a 270-degree angle. So this is like a 65-watt LED, the eyes friendly filter lens. So this is a waterproof and a nice floodlight motion sensor.